Find first sequence item that matches a criterion. What would be the most elegant and efficient way of finding/returning the first list item that matches a certain criterion? For example, if I have a list of objects and I would like to get the first object of those with attribute obj.val = 5. I could of course use list comprehension, but that would incur O(n), and if n is large, it's wasteful. I could also use a loop with break once the criterion was met, but I thought there could be a more Pythonic/elegant solution.
If you don't have any other indexes or sorted information for your objects, then you will have to iterate until such an object is found. This is, however, faster than a complete list comprehension. Compare these two. The first one needs 5.75 milliseconds, the second one 58.3 microseconds, 100 times faster because the loop 100 times shorter.
This will return the object if found, else it will return not found.
If you want to see more, please insert a target.